Hey, it's Natalie with WTI. If you have an upcoming party, definitely add these adorable party favor boxes from CL Cooper Life. Up close you can see how cute the design is with the black paw prints and also the bones all over the box. I'm really excited to add these to my son's party that's coming up. They come with a total of 12 boxes, which is the perfect amount of boxes. They're also really sturdy. In case you're wondering if you can put things inside of them, I'm planning on putting candy and a few toys for the kids inside. I'm also planning on personalizing them, so it's really easy to just add each child's name to it. But this doesn't have to be for children. If you want to throw your dog a party, you can definitely put some dog treats inside and it's going to be a hit. You can see here that the box is about the size of my hand, so you're able to fit quite a bit inside. It's also really easy to assemble these boxes. I was able to do it within a few minutes. So definitely give your party an upgraded look by adding these party favor boxes. That's my point of view.